What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can type the Apple logo on iOS. Now, I don't know why Apple hasn't made this an emoji option, really. I mean, they are Apple, so why not be able to type out their Apple logo, but they don't have it there, so I'm going to show you guys the workaround for it. And it's really quite simple and pretty cool. As you can see here, I sent myself the Apple logo. I'll do it again here. This is basically using it in action so you guys can see. So there's the Apple logo, and I can go ahead and click on send, and I sent and typed out the Apple logo. So it's really quite cool, and it's really simple to set up as well. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll leave a link down in the description to this tweet here where I've just simply tweeted out the Apple logo. From here on your iOS device, just go ahead and copy the tweet, and it's just going to copy the text of the tweet there. So it's just going to copy that Apple logo. Click on that. Now from here, you're going to go into settings, and I'll back all the way out so you guys can see how to navigate to this section in settings. So in settings, go to general, go ahead and go down to keyboard, and then you go to text replacement. And as you can see, I have mine set up as AAPL. I'll actually change it in this video. I think I can swipe this. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and delete it. I do have it copied. So from here, just click on the plus button in the upper right. So the phrase will be the Apple logo. So since you've copied that from the tweet, just go ahead and paste it in there, as you guys can see. And then your shortcut can be whatever you want it to be. So I'll just go ahead and type out APPL. So for Apple, that's going to be the text that I type, and it will suggest the Apple logo. So click on save. And then from here, you can exit out of settings, and you can type it however you want. Just go ahead and put APPL or whatever phrase you've used, and then you can type the Apple logo just like so. And it's really quite cool in my opinion. And that's how you're going to type out the Apple logo on iOS. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.